Tessa, and we're filming about cool chicks with little people.
And big people. So, here we go.
Swing, 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 swing. Flame.
And here's another one.
You're not supposed to talk.
And ready for this one? Oh gosh, that sounded like it was gonna hurt.
If anybody knows this girl with the pink hat on, her name is Talia. This girl, coming up closer to the camera, is Caitlin. And that's just me.
Turn it